Hey folks, it's Cris Laidlaw here, and for Feature Friday this week, I wanted to show you the automatic folding seats in the back of this 2018 Ford Expedition Max. All right folks, let's get into it. So I'll just raise the tailgate here. And you'll see on the left corner, you'll see 3 buttons, 3L, this button here, and 3R. Obviously 3L means third row on the left, 3R means third row on the right. Now we can press them individually. I'll press 3L, and as you can see, it goes by itself there automatically. I hit 3R, and the same thing happens. Now obviously the middle button would make them go down all at once, but I'm saving that for the surprise here. Boom! You hit the middle button when the seats are down, they come back up easy peasy. So it's great to have in a pinch if you're trying to load this up with your Costco groceries or supplies for your next trip.